Hey guys, just want you to, feel what I feel. Look at this. This is a heavy door and this wind does not want to leave it open. Oh, look at the trees. I'm telling you, it is windy, about 20 miles an hour. It says, but it feels like more than that. But anyway, just wanted to show you a view. I just got the little babies back in. They were in their pen. Thank God for the pen or they would have been blown away. Anyway, talk to you all in a little bit. Love you. Say good morning to everybody. Say good morning, everyone. Hey, coffee time. As you saw in the clip ahead of this one, what? That wind is horrible outside. And the van, it's a little taller than my other one. So the wind just really catches it and it blows. I rock and roll. But that's okay. The wind will cease and it's supposed to be a better day tomorrow. It did rain last night. Something I learned to do though, or I figured out how to do, is I got a piece of, the plastic, oh my God, plastic bags, the big large 13-gallon ones. I put it against the window there so when it does drip in, it goes to the steps, not inside the van itself. Well, it is inside, but it's at the steps. Anyway, are you listening to me or are you trying to go to sleep? Anyway, yes, you two. 1 second, I got another little one up here. Hello! Hey, my babies. I got my other fur baby down there. Let me see if I can get him up too. Hold on. Come on. Come up here. Come on, Minnie. Come on. Come on. Up, 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 up. There. All three. All three. Hello. 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 Good morning. Now, can I get y'all down? Because I can't talk and carry every one of you. Get down there with Minnie. Okay, you can stay up here. You don't come up here that much. Anyway, sorry. Oh my gosh. But it is very windy, and I'm not that big, and that wind, I was leaning against the post because if I didn't, that wind was going to blow me. I mean, it's pretty rough. I do have their pen tied down, I got a bunch of cord so that it doesn't blow away or shut up while they're in there, especially. Oh my goodness. It's just unbelievable, the wind here today. It really is. I wouldn't want to be in the hurricane if this is as bad as it is at 25 or 20 or 25 mile an hour winds. Can you imagine a hurricane? Oh my goodness. No, I would not be here through a hurricane. It's, oh, okay. I just noticed that they had another RV over here. I'll be darned. Huh. Okay. I never saw this one come in, but anyway, there's another one over here across this road from me. And I know the people from Oklahoma, bless their heart, their truck will not start. And they had to move from that side, which is a day stay, to this side of the road, and they had to have their truck, somebody move it for them, and they live in a pop-up camper, And oh, that wind, it's not in that great of shape, and that wind is got to do some damage to it right now. At this other end, behind me here, there's another pop-up camper. There's that young couple I told you that the camper was given to them. But their camper is in a lot better shape. It's almost like brand new, so it probably could sustain this wind much better. But I feel sorry for the couple in front of me because they're an older couple, you know, and that's really, I feel bad for them. I really do. But there's no way I can help them. There's something wrong with the truck with some part on it, and I can't help them with that. But anyway, I'm still thinking about what to do future-wise. I think one of my first stops when I leave here, my first stop will be in Louisiana. Excuse me a minute, but oh my goodness. Oh, sorry about that. We'll be in Louisiana, and I will go to several places and ask around to see what is available so that oh my gosh, what is that wind blowing in? Anyway, so I can see what's available. So when I come back from Florida, I'm really thinking about, just settling down there in South Louisiana for a while. Oh my gosh, regroup. Because here, yes, I love it. I love the water here and all. Oh my God. But anyway, I need to totally regroup. And I know that. Maybe stay somewhere, although I've been here a couple of months or so. This is almost like a vacation. I mean, how many people can be on the beach and stay on the beach like this? Really great. But I want an area where I want to be where there's nobody, no traffic, just kind of isolated, so that I can really gather myself together. Definitely will have to have cell service. That's a must. I need that just in case. You never know when you're going to need to call 911, But what are you doing? You going to sleep down here? Yeah, Brian is going to sleep on my lap. But anyway, that's what I'm going to try to find. I still would like to find me a little houseboat, because they are not right out there with everybody around them, And or a little shanty shack that is there in the bayou away from everyone. We'll see what happens. We'll see what I can find or not find, or who knows, I might change my mind. I'm an Aries, guys. I'm an Aries, so yeah, I change my mind very quickly at times. I sure do. Oh, I'm cutting some stickers off of Brian. Man, he's got so much fur that those stickers and the minute he senses that I've got scissors in my hand, he freaks out. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking about. I know, I flip-flop. That's me. I'm a flip-flopper. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let y'all go. I will come back later, but I just thought I'd say good morning, have my cup of coffee with you, and give you a little bit of my thoughts. I'll do a better video after this one. Okay. Love you all.